Wait, why is it meowing?
So we wanted to go to the big game, but Hellmann's brought us to the big game with this snack stadium.
What the?
So we couldn't exactly swing the $10,000 tickets, but Annette and I had so much fun with the snack stadium.
Oh yeah.
Bye.
But as we unboxed it, we discovered something a little weird.
It has a sound feature.
Shut up.
The snack stadium started meowing.
Wait, what is that?
Or so we thought.
Hear that? Does it feel like you're at the big game?
Comes pretty freaking close.
Oh, it's not meow, it's mayo.
Okay, so now that that's figured out, let's make our loaded potato dip. These are the ingredients you'll need.
Ooh, it's about to smell so good in here.
You'll top it with a whole bunch of bacon bits and shape it into a football.
Yay! Are you ready to try this?
I'm so excited.
We spent hours making this.
Cheers.
That is delicious.
Wait, that's so good.